Hey guys, ShadowMorgue here, and this is May's Adventure Time Loot Crate. Alright guys, here we go. Let's open this bad boy up, alright? Here we go. It's still sealed here. I'm gonna try and open this here. There we go. Ta-da! We have a Minecraft hangers. Each pack contains one hanger. Huh, what is this? Ah, nice. Let's open this guy up. So this month's theme is adventure. And here we have a little hanger. Oh, that's what they mean. This looks like a little Minecraft. What is this, a zombie? Looks like a zombie. Nice. Alright. Let's move on. And a t-shirt. Yay! Let's see what we got here. T-shirt with... Oh, this is badass. Yeah. With Link. Nice. Alright, let's move on, shall we? Making this really quick. It's BMO. What is this though? And there's a figure inside. Let's see. This is from Cartoon Network. Those of you familiar with Adventure Time. Oh. Got a little character inside. And looks like a lot of bubble wrap. Oh, it's the Ice King. That's cool. Alright, let's move on. Put this off to the side. Alright, here we got a button. This is the Adventure Time Loot Crate. You see you got the sword, the shield from Link, and also the Minecraft sword. And a bottle cap opener that says, "It's dangerous to go alone. Take this." And I don't know if we could see that, but it's the little Link from the old Nintendo games. Awesome. Take this off to the side. Oh, we got Markiplier tats. Let's see. We have Captain Sparkles stickers. What else do we have? We have a soundtrack to the Friend Zone. Here we go, and it actually has 10 soundtracks on it. So there's 10 songs on the back of this. I will listen to it and let you guys know what it's like. And then, let's see, we have a bunch of other stickers. Looks like we have Markiplier. We have, a lot of these are Markiplier actually. Alright, and there you have it. Surprisingly, I don't see the magazine, little magazine that comes every month. Or usually it's here, but real quick, we have a couple of stickers. We have a tattoo. Let's see, we have the Loot Crate symbol. We have the bottle cap. We have the BMO canister with the Ice King. Whee! Alright, we have a Minecraft zombie. We have a soundtrack to The Friend Zone. We have an awesome t-shirt with Link. Alright, and I'll push this all down. Make sure we show him. And what else we got? All right, that's pretty much everything, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. That is this month's Loot Crate, and I hope this makes you want to get a Loot Crate yourself. All right, guys, take care.